and welcome to your favorite origami channel, a day without DOF origami. With me, Eugene. Boom! Today, we are going to make a 3D star with paper easy, rainbow edition. But before that, help me to reach 1000 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button and turning on the bell. Okay? Thanks. Let's start right away. First, you need a 5 colored paper with a size 14 by 14, yes, including red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Okay, we fold red first. Is fold out. Then fold to the side. It's two. And this. These two. Okay, then fold back. Okay, take it easy. This section is folded to the right, like this. And this one to the left. Combine these two shapes into the letter C. Okay, the letter V. Look, this is open. Okay, and this. Okay, finally one has been made. We have four more. Okay, four more. Yellow, green, blue, and purple. Waiting. Yellow. Okay. Green, blue, and purple. This is part you make a glue. This section, okay. Join one by one. Glue. Okay. Join one by one. Glue. We start to the red. This. Take a glue. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm using the glue paper because yes, this is very easy. Okay. Okay. Combine combine, join shape, join one by one. Okay, combine this. Take it easy. Okay. Okay, and finally be a 3D star with paper. Easy. You can give this as a gift, or you can use it as a decoration. As and that's all for this video. And if you want to add something, just write in the comment column. Okay, see ya. Thank you for watching.